putting players in a position to succeed.
Yeah. So
Yeah, I'm, you know, it's back to the same thing. I value the gray and the intuitive, not just the numbers, in a way that most don't, because it's not teachable, it's my talent, so I lean in on it. Right?
Yeah.
I also lead with humility and confidence, and those are two very interesting things. When you lead with humility, you might have not hired somebody for the right spot at first. So I feel like it's my response. I mean when I say I work for 1,000 people, not they work for me. So it's my job to figure them out, that maybe their manager and them don't have good dynamics. Maybe they're not as good at that skill set, but if I get to know them, like, but you're super creative. Like there's a kid in, like Tyler's like, hey, this kid in media should be the writer for sports betting on one, that's probably gonna happen. You know?
Yeah, I think like,
I take on, you know what? I feel like I take on a sense of responsibility to people choosing to work at my company. And I feel a sense of responsibility that I don't think most people feel. I think people feel like it's transactional.
like most businesses feel like that if you work for them, like they're giving you something, like they're.
And you're giving them
you a
something,
job.
you're giving them money. Here you go.
Yeah.
It's transactional.
Right.
I'm not transactional. I almost manage like brand, right? It's an interesting theme, right?
Yeah.
I'm like, I manage in the same way I build brand. It's in perpetuity.
Yeah.
And when things are in perpetuity, you care about how something ends in the short term. Most people view you, Jason, working here, like when he quits and tries to go, Babin's gonna go try to do something else. Like sometimes people leave, other times we let people go. Like, I think people think that's the end. I think it's a chapter.